The most successful investment I have made easily in the past 3 years is buying a Jason Tatum Panini Prism basketball rookie card for $90. I'm proud to report, that it is now probably about $230, maybe $200. I don't know. I feel like a combination between like George Soros and Nostradamus. I love the Celtics. I love Jason Tatum.
Yeah.
I knew he was going to be great. I knew
You saw it.
I saw it. I made
former Duke player too.
Yeah. I put down a not insignificant $100 on a piece of cardboard, and here I am up 200%, right? And I don't care if that thing goes down to $2.
Yeah.
Well, I would, because it would mean he was injured and I'd be sad. But, you know, it's the emotional resonance. It's that I'm a fan. It's that I can feel like a kid. And if we can create things that are collectibles that bring a childlike joy or an emotional thing, or for brands that bring loyalty that is more than skin deep, that is more than transactional, that is value creation. Now, business people can take that very visceral, very humanistic value creation and scale businesses on top of that and create economic value. But all you can do is create human value. And from there, you can build businesses. So when you're creating something, try to create something that you love and that other people will love. Because let's be honest, right? If you have a lot of money, yes, investing in crypto was a great way to make more. It was also a great way to lose it. You could just park it in Vanguard and do fine over the past few years. Why are you engaging in Web3? It's about possibility, it's about loyalty, and it's about engagement. So there needs to be those feelings that go beyond, you know, what you see on your Coinbase or eToro account when you log in.